Hey Mike, here is a short video of the Camaro. This is owned by our good friend who is a retired mechanic. He built the car, had the modifications done to good standard. He knew what he was doing, he knew the parts. Let me see the miles, but this, I'll do a quick walk around and then I'll try to get a starting video. You can see it's way in the corner, so I gotta just open everything up and get the fans going. But he restored a 67 Camaro in the same color combination, so when he was driving through town he saw this one and just fell in love with it and had to have it. Let's see the mileage if I can get it up. Mileage is 6,800. Still smells new, never smoked in, nothing like that. I think he said he's only put the top down, honestly, maybe once just to see, but I will get it started here and send a couple other videos.